Are you fed up with the same old dieting routines, counting calories and denying yourself your favorite foods? If so, you are not alone, and it's time to make a change. Here, we will discuss the importance of Pro Metabolic Diet, as well as exploring some of the newest and most effective ways to reach your goals. Stop feeling frustrated and start feeling empowered to make a change today. Are you wondering what a Pro Metabolic Diet is? Stay tuned to learn about the benefits, how to do it, and any other helpful info about Pro Metabolic nutrition. Discover more about the Pro Metabolic Diet, what it is, why it might be beneficial, plus all the key info you need to get started. What is metabolism? Metabolism is the set of chemical reactions your body performs to transform the nutrients you eat into energy. Thousands of these reactions are regulated by particular proteins. Our metabolism is the process by which our body takes nutrients such as glucose, vitamins, minerals, proteins, and fats and converts them into energy and heat. What is the Pro Metabolic Diet? The Pro Metabolic Diet is an approach to eating that focuses on nutrient-rich foods to boost metabolic activity and reduce internal stress. Unhealthy habits, such as inadequate sleep and unhealthy food choices, can lead to high levels of cortisol, which has the effect of slowing down your metabolism. When this happens, even if you reduce your calorie intake, you can struggle to reach and maintain a healthy weight. The aim of the Pro Metabolic Diet is to replenish and rebuild your body so that your metabolism can work naturally, helping you reach and maintain a healthy weight. The Pro Metabolic Diet is an effective way of nourishing and supporting our metabolism. It is based on the principle of regulating the body's metabolism to increase energy, manage weight, and improve overall health. This diet incorporates nutrient-rich whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, as well as regular exercise and lifestyle habits. With its emphasis on balance and moderation, the Pro Metabolic Diet can help unlock the body's potential for optimal health and wellness. Signs and symptoms of a slow metabolism. Oftentimes, many can experience symptoms associated with a slow metabolism. While each person will vary in their own symptoms, a few common signs are usually consistent. Weight gain, difficulty losing weight, cold hands and feet, low energy and fatigue, headaches, depression or anxiety, brittle hair or nails, dry skin, hair loss, brain fog, memory loss, and decreased libido may all point towards a decreased metabolic activity. Eating with a pro-metabolic focus isn't about cutting foods out, it's about adding the most beneficial and bioavailable foods to your diet. We want to make sure our bodies are receiving the nourishment they need to reduce stress. Switching up your diet can feel intimidating. Here are some helpful tips to get you started on a pro-metabolic diet. Bear in mind that your weight may increase slightly at first when you begin, but will normalize as your metabolism adjusts. Increase your calorie intake with nutrient-dense food. Be mindful of your calorie intake. This way of eating isn't focused on counting calories, rather nourishing your body. Aim for at least 2,000 calories a day. This is especially important if you have been chronically restricting calories for a period of time. When calorie intake is restricted, your body goes into survival mode. It attempts to conserve energy as it perceives a famine. One of the primary steps it takes is to reduce your metabolism. Eat within an hour of waking up. Fasting has recently become a popular health trend. Though, it's important to remember that we already fast for 8 to 12 hours during the night. Eating soon after waking tells the body that there is no food shortage. On the other hand, delaying eating may cause the body to create cortisol, lowering metabolism. If the idea of breakfast is overwhelming, start with a small snack and gradually increase to a full breakfast. Introduce the adrenal cocktail. The adrenal cocktail is a combination of vitamins, minerals and nutrients designed to help support adrenal health, reduce stress and restore energy levels. This powerful blend of ingredients helps to reduce cortisol levels, improve sleep, enhance mental clarity and restore balance within the body. With regular use, this cocktail can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to stay healthy and energized. Additionally, the adrenal cocktail helps to naturally increase the body's ability to handle stress, while providing a boost of energy to get through the day. For more informative videos, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Consuming raw milk can provide a variety of health benefits, such as improved digestion, better immune system functioning, and greater absorption of vitamins and minerals. Furthermore, it can be a great source of high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential minerals. However, it is important to always make sure that the milk you consume is sourced from a safe, reputable producer and is pasteurized and tested for safety. Organic liver meat. Liver is highly packed with beneficial nutrients, so much so it's known as nature's multivitamin. It contains vitamin A, vitamins B, folate, iron, potassium and copper. It is also a great source of protein. The B vitamins from the liver help to generate energy and aid the metabolism of fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. Liver is also abundant in antioxidants, shielding cells from the damaging effects from the environment, toxic substances, irritation, pressure, and a poorly balanced diet. Reduce polyunsaturated fatty acids and increase saturated fats. Polyunsaturated fatty acids are oils derived from nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. Though they can provide great nutritional benefits, they are prone to breaking down quickly and releasing harmful free radicals in the body if consumed excessively. There are many recipes these days that incorporate nuts and seeds. It's this property that allows animals like squirrels and bears to prepare for hibernation by consuming higher amounts of these foods. Alternatives such as saturated fats are more stable and are found in more traditional sources such as coconut oil, butter, and animal fats. When it comes to protecting against free radicals and keeping the metabolism balanced, it's essential to stay mindful of polyunsaturated fatty acids intake while enjoying the benefits of these delicious sources of fat. Eat carbohydrates, protein and fats together. Many diets requiring either less or more macronutrients exist. To ensure metabolic balance when eating, it is recommended to split the plate into a half portion of carbohydrates, a quarter of proteins, and the last quarter of fats. Examples of carbs are roots, vegetables, preferably the fruit of the plant, plus lean meats for proteins. Other fats can be added, such as avocado, if desired or necessary. We hope this serves as an introduction to pro-metabolic eating. As always, take it slow and ensure that your body is properly nourished.